This video, I'm gonna teach you how to schedule a video on your YouTube channel. So come to this browser, click on YouTube, add new YouTube. Dive into your own channel. Come to manage video. You can also edit your videos. You can also edit uploaded videos too. But here I want to tell you how to schedule your video. So before scheduling, we have to go for upload, select file, go to your videos section, as my videos section is this. Yes, exactly this. You have to justify the video you are uploading is the actual video you want to upload or not. Then you have to select the title here. Just a minute. Okay, once you write here the title and description, after it you have to choose a thumbnail for your video. Click on upload thumbnail. It will redirect into your PC's folders here, as my thumbnail is in a picture document folder. I have to select the yeah, this is my thumbnail icon here. Open it. After opening, this will directly show you on your video very first page. After it, you have to select it for a new playlist, because new playlists are already made playlist. As this is for YouTube, so I'm making a very new playlist for YouTube. Title, YouTube. I also give description. Visibility, public. So public option means everyone can access to your channel, and we want this. So after this, create this. Once you did this, add a playlist as added here in the playlist. Now click on this and click on done. So after it, you have to select. Now it's not made for kids. We have no restriction with video elements. You have to add subtitle. This is very important thing here, because it directly syncs your what did you speak in your video, especially in English language. It will help you. Auto sync. Enter the words that are spoken. Yes, done. Yes, but now my concern is how to schedule. So we come into that point. Check for it. It is still in process. Visibility, public. And now here our concern option is here. Subject matter, how to schedule. Click on schedule. It will open into a time zone. When you want to upload, for example, today is 5 of August. I want to upload, yes, 5 in the evening. So click on this 5 and click this time as, I think, 6 p.m. Set the time you think fit. You may also select for AM or PM. I will go for PM. Okay, 6 PM. Yes, time zone. You may also set your time zone, but this is a premier option. Ignore this. Now you have the schedule. This is in a process. Video elements, add details. Everything is clear. Alhamdulillah. Now finally go to the visibility. You have scheduled for 6 p.m. Now click on the schedule option. So video is scheduled now. Video has been scheduled. Your video will be sent to public on August 5, 2023 at 6 p.m. Inshallah. So I hope you will enjoy it. You will get benefit of it. Follow for more. Subscribe us. If any query, you can ask in comment sections. Thank you very much.